So yeah, hello again. There was a small issue. At least OBS showed me something weird about my sound. I think it should be fine now. So previously on the last stream we created Expo native model and tried to add mm, yeah, this module is iOS and the box specs. Try to edit MLKit, but when we're trying to run the app we had this error, and actually I found out that the issue is MLKit doesn't support this M1 simulator architecture, so it's kind of not a problem. We still can build the app on the device, for example, but um, for development experience I think it's not what I want, because yeah, most of the time I'm developing something on the iOS simulator. That's because it's fast and easy to do. So apart from having same MLKit library on the iOS and Android part is cool, because it may basically the same, but I decided maybe it's a right time to check what the Apple actually provide for text recognition from the images. So there is some Apple Vision. Apple Vision. Um, Library. Or so documentation. Yeah, so I don't know. I never use it, so maybe it's something I would like to try. So let's remove this for now. Do code install, and yeah, let's run our app to make sure it's working. It's quite a lot of dependency. So we're good, and run iOS. And meanwhile, we can take a look. One of the Vision's many powerful feature is its ability to detect and recognize multi-language text in images. By the way, we can open Xcode. Mm, Also export docs. Yeah, we built it successfully and we can run the app. So this is good. Yeah, this is what we use to create our module. Yeah, this is actually what I was looking for. This is a tip. This command O. Helpful command. Command. Oh, command shift O. Yeah. And what we have? mlkit something. It's supposed to be in the development. And if you look in our uh, React Native project root, there is the modules folder and mlkit module, and here's our Swift files. But yeah, I prefer to use native feature of Xcode. I don't like Xcode in general, but yeah, it works better for iOS development than my NeoVim config. I'm not there yet to spend time, and maybe someday I can config NeoVim, it will be good enough to develop right there, but yeah, now it is what it is. So yeah, already the name is looks wrong since we decide move from MLKit on iOS side, but I think it doesn't matter for now. We have our async process function, and we have like pick image button, and then we can press process, and on the process we send our image source URL. If we take a look here, you see the log is basically here's our URL of selected file. Maybe let's pick some image with text. Cafe. Uh, I don't know, I want something relatively, yeah, small with numbers. But maybe a more real one. I don't know, is it? Let's try this one. So can I just not drag and drop the image to the simulator? Okay, yeah, we can do this. So this is nice. This is what we want, and the quality isn't great, so let's see how it will work. So pick the image, and we can pick, and we can send the image URL to the native module. Maybe we can use Copilot chat, because we will need to convert it to the some iOS representation of the image, this URL. But yeah, maybe let's back now to the documentation and see what we can get. Vision text can operate using one of those passes. The fast pass uses the framework's character detection capabilities to find individual characters, then use a small machine learning model to recognize individual characters and words. This approach is similar to traditional optical character recognition (OCR). For example, code using the fast pass, extracting 4 numbers from text in images. Oh, we have the code sample here, I guess. We can download it and... Yeah, I love to see sample. We actually want to recognize numbers first of all, because so calculator up, we like to pick some numbers and do operation on top of it. So yeah, so this is recapturing the yeah, we capture some image, maybe video, I don't know. Yeah, video data, so probably it's a video. So we do import vision here, right? The view deploy. Mm. Okay, it includes the some capturing process, which I don't like. I can't run it on the simulator to just see how it works. Alright, set up camera, show string. Vision view controller. So the request is VN recognize text request. This is probably what we will need to use, and we create it like this. So we create it with the handler, and the handler is the function which getting request and their numbers, red boxes, show all text lines. So this is the green boxes, show what might be serials. So it looks quite simple. So we do in the handle there is request, and it has result. If not have results, we return, and then we iterate through results. Extract phone number. I guess it should be in this string too. Yeah, you see it's some utils to extract it, but generally candidate and string. And there is information about the box of text. So this is what I'm interested in. So we can create request, and the question is, where do we apply image? So request, we set up recognition level. Only run on the region of interest for maximum speed. Region of interest. What it is. The region of the video data out buffer data recognition should be run on, which gets recalculated once the bound of the preview. I'm not sure. Okay, I think we skip this piece. Let's back to this code. So we have some sample buffer, so I guess this is image data is here. CM sample buffer version. An object that model a buffer of media data. Sample buffers or foundation object that contain 0 or more media samples of particular type. Okay, this piece is not super clear to me, so maybe we can try to use power of ChatGPT, which can explain code line by line for us. So please explain code line by line. Okay, this is not actually. Okay, Vim motions work a bit different here. In the Xcode than it configured in my NeoVim, so I'm doing wrong things. But where I was, yeah, this is the function I would like to explain. So please explain why. This line extracts except buffer object from the sample buffer, represent an image data of a frame. So okay, here is a vision framework request is configured to prioritize speed over accuracy. Okay, this is fast. Fast is clear. Region of interest. Okay, and this is what we an image request handler. Initialize with the pixel buffer from the camera frame. The text orientation variable probably define the orientation of the text to be recognized. The hands responsible for performing the actual image analysis request. Yeah, what I'm thinking is actually ask ask Copilot and see what it will do for me. What we have, workspace, terminal. I don't know, just in case. I have image src string which is URL of the local file and looks like something like this. Okay. I want to use as a vision framework and recognize image, recognize text on image. And get and also text location on image. I think it's relatively simple request and Copilot chat should handle it, chat GPT. So let's see. But it will be faster than I will try figure out myself. And see, it's as simple as it is. Where is our, yeah. We need to import vision, of course, and I think there is a way, green dent or something. Control I. Okay, there's too many changes after indent. I will back to formatting code later. But generally, this function can give us some result, and the only question, will it print where it will be printed? That gives us anything? I don't know. Let's do let's close this one and maybe let's run it in the Xcode and iPhone, yeah, 15 simulator, because I'm sure it will be in the Xcode logs, but will it be shown in the Expo logs? I'm not sure. We are building. So we're getting URL. From the URL we're getting CI image, and we can do VNI request handler. Yeah, I need some JS bundle here. Okay, let's do it different way. Let's run we will recompile everything, or it will be relatively fast because yeah, did small change only in this module, but who knows, who knows. Looks like it rebuilding everything, which is kind of sad. I don't want to follow this process each time I change few lines of code. But let's see what will happen. Mm, failed for data file. So I guess we probably failed on this step. But I'm not sure. But we can try to run now from Xcode and connect it to the bundler which is running here. Let's see if it will works. Because in the Xcode I can put the breakpoint and debug it. Let's see where there was thrown and etc. Okay, will it be able to connect to this? I think, yeah, what's happened. And two. All right, so a URL is initialized, and then so the image also worked. Interesting. It actually show you image and all information. Oh, nice. Open in preview. What will happen if I do it? Whoa, whoa. Apart from Xcode is ugly, it has some nice feature still. I actually start with my career with working in the Xcode, so it's usable too. So the image we find here, so but I'm not sure where it's throwing or failed to get home directory when checking model pass. Yeah, why to think a lot about it when we can just ask Copilot chat first? I'm getting following error. Is it just maybe some permissions error? Or Maybe. I'm not sure. But this looks like it's a bit out of context. So I select this and ask it again. Vision Framework is trying to access a machine learning model that's supposed to be in the home directory, but it's not able to determine the path to the home directory. However, the code you provided doesn't seem to be directly related to this error. Code is using to recognize text in an image and doesn't require access to the home directory or machine learning model. If you are using custom machine learning model, the vision frameworks were in the code, make sure that model is correctly installed and the so quite weird, but yeah, let's again. Maybe I would have some more query data. So it also asks the real device. Mm, yeah, in this case, it not make a lot of sense to Yeah, I can use MLKit again if I will not use the simulator. And another problem, I have connected my iPhone, which is one webcam I'm using right now. They have another device and I need to try to connect it. So I need to disconnect something. Okay. So let's try. Let's try to run it and we'll see. It failed. Okay. Immediately. Okay, we need sign in. Yeah, this is actually interesting topic with how it's worked with Expo. It might be supposed to work quite nice, I don't know. MLKit with Apple Vision. When I test with iPhone 12, the lab standard and recognition MLKit beats Apple Vision easily. And also both Google and Apple offer great frameworks for iOS device OCR for free. With my test set, Apple Vision framework performs slightly better with rotated text and images. On the other hand, the results were slightly better with text in low resolution images. One significant difference is the computation time for the definition. My test set computation time will get 6 times faster than Apple Vision. If computation time does not matter for you, check out if you use cases benefits from Apple Vision language correction phase, and feel free to add test set for my test. So I guess it's not super new article, probably was a few years ago at least. Okay, I think the app is running now. The question is, do I have the image with the text on? Right. So it actually works. So it recognized the Ukrainian text. Mm, yeah, I must say, yeah, I'm not sharing the phone screen, but the results is quite accurate. But I'm thinking now, what should I actually do with it? Probably will back to MLKit. And yeah, since we need device anyway, either for simulator, either for Apple Vision or for MLKit. I prefer MLKit since it will be quite same API for iOS and Android, and will be easier to implement same results from different OS. But see how easy it is to implement something like text recognition from image in React Native with Expo and native modules. This is cool. I really like it. So font text confidence. The confidence is low, 0.3, but it's actually recognized it correctly. And actually now I see the results. I understand the region of interest, so it's going like values from 0 to 1. It's not like some pixels or dots or something. It's just 1 is like 100% of the width. And it actually makes sense, because when we can draw the boxes of the numbers, I would like to be able to scale the image like pinch and zoom, and I need relative numbers, so like from 0 to 1 I can multiply and get the scaled values. This is nice. But yeah, this is cool that just in 1 hour we can first time to try Apple Vision, find the solution which works. It's like far from something usable, but yeah, we did interesting investigation, and I think I will finish on this step, and on the next stream, yeah, I need to think how to stream the device, which device to make it more sense. The simulator, it's a bit easier, but how to develop with device, it's a bit uncommon workflow. Usually in my daily jobs I do testing sometimes on device and run the builds from the laptop to device to debug something. It's not common use case, so most of the time I spend on the simulator. And on device I just usually install the release builds from the test flights, or in case of Android I'm just install the APKs, something like this. So this is interesting to try this new workflow develop directly on device. And I think the Expo actually can be a powerful friend in this workflow when trying to develop on device. But yeah, we'll see on the new streams. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.